How to repair OBD code P1122 and P1126 throttle body or relay. So guys, today is Nissan Sunny with us, which is 2005 model. It have the fault of the throttle body. The customer complaint is he want to accelerate the car, but it's not possible, and the customer changed the throttle body 3-4 times. In this video we will show you how it is repaired. So let's go to OBD scanner. This is the code P1122 and P1126. P1122 is ETC function circuit, electronic throttle control function circuit, and ETC, electronic throttle control motor power thermostatic function. We have these two faults in the car, and once you get this fault, we read what is the problem in this faults, or we search for this code on different sites, on website, on Google. But when we don't know the correct direction, we go on wrong direction. So this is the old and new throttles. This is the old throttle, and this is the new. The right one is old one and the left one is new. It have 4 wires. You guys can see it have 4 wires, and this side you can see this is wire number 1 and another is wire number 2. In this one it is easy to show you. This is the wire number 1, and the another side, this one is wire number 2. So these two wires are for the motor of the throttle. The another wires are TP sensors, throttle position sensors. They check. This is the motor, and we will later show you how to check this motor also. And this car, whenever you get the fault etc, first of all, before making or before spending a big amount of money, you check the relay and the fuse. There is ETC, electronic throttle control fuse, and relay. And the relay the fuse will be at this side, at the right side, and the relay will be on this box. In this box you can see what is the name of the relay: motor. The name of the relay is motor, MOTOR. On the cover it is written. When you remove the cover below this relay, this is the relay. Our fault was this relay. We just changed the relay and checked the car was alright. Where the customer changed 3-4 throttle bodies, and this is the location of the relay. You can see, maybe you cannot define where is the relay, but in this video you will become to know what is the name of the relay written on the cover. The name of the relay is motor. And you can come and see here ETC fuse. This is sorry guys for if it is not clear. You can see ETC fuse motor. You can see this is motor, also motor written here. You check the fuse first, which is very easy, whether the fuse is blown or not, and you can check the relay. That the relay might be working, might be knocking, but it might not be passing the current. So in our case, the relay was working, and we changed this relay to try it, and it start working without spending money on buying another used throttle. Now I will show you how to check this throttle with these two wires, wire number 1 and wire number 4. You can directly check on the battery when you give a current. And another information is all the Nissan throttles are same. Mostly the Nissan throttles are same, only the size of the butterfly is different. This is the motor, the two wires you can see, these two wires, this is the motor wire, and when you give a positive and negative direct from the battery, it will start work. You have to know which two wires are the correct wires. If you give wrong wires current, the throttle body might not work again. So we will start on the battery. This is the battery and this is the throttle. This is negative we put. It is not important you put wire number 4 on negative. You can put in another direction also, just to run the motor. You can see the butterfly is moving. So this is the easiest way to check the butterfly. So now we change the wires. Wire number 4 we brought to positive, and wire number 1 we brought to negative, and you was seeing too the butterfly was opening full. So guys, if you have any type of question regarding the automotive parts, electronics and air conditions, this motor is working, the throttle body is good. You can ask me in comments if you have any type of question. I will be very happy to reply you. And today I hope you got good knowledge. Please subscribe for next video.